Dr. Coates here. I'm going to show you today how to connect your Signia Pure Charge and Go NX or X hearing aids with the Bluetooth on an iPhone. The first step is you'll go to the settings on your iPhone, and then you'll want to scroll down until you see the accessibility section of your phone. You'll click there. You'll see they're divided into sections: vision, physical and motor. You'll scroll down to hearing, and then you'll click on hearing devices. Once you're in this screen, what you'll want to do is put the hearing aids into pairing mode. The way that you do that is you can press and hold the back of the hearing aids for about 5 or 6 seconds, and they will turn off. And then you'll press and hold those buttons again for about 5 or 6 seconds to turn back on. Once they're back on, it will search here on your phone, and then you should see them pop up here. Once they both pop up, you can click on it here, and it will ask you to pair each one. So you'll hit pair, pair. You can also turn off the devices by putting them in your charger and then taking them back out to put them in that search mode. Now that we're in this screen, I wanted to show you a couple things. It looks like you're streaming to both devices, the right and left. So when you get a phone call or listen to music or watching a video from your phone, it will automatically go into the hearing aids. Adjust independently. I usually recommend to have the hearing aids adjusted together, but if you wanted to be able to adjust volume independently, you would check this, and then you can see how they're both separate. For the most part, most patients keep that volume control together. The other part I wanted to show you here is if you go back, this is where you can set up some of your settings here. So, for example, you have the play ringtones on. Some people like to turn that off and have the ringtone come through the phone instead of the hearing aids, just if you're out or in a meeting, that way it doesn't go into your hearing aids. You can turn the ringtone on and it will play through your hearing aids when you get a phone call. The audio routing is going automatically for phone calls, and then media here, I'm going to go ahead and change to automatic. That way both calls and any other sounds from your phone are automatically going to go to your hearing aids when they're within range. And that is how the Bluetooth is connected.